The Yardmax 26-inch 2-stage snowblower. Perfectly balanced for control, this heavy-duty 2-stage snowblower easily tackles the deepest snow while providing maximum operator comfort. Offering 6 forward speeds and 2 reverse, the gear shift is conveniently placed within a dashboard that also houses an LED headlight, a cup holder, and heated hand grips. Featuring a 208cc electric start snow engine, it effortlessly starts in the harshest of conditions with the push of a button or pull of the rope. The axe-shaped auger and 12-inch high-speed impeller devours the heaviest of snow, up to 21 inches deep, throwing it through an extended solid steel chute. All engineered for maximum throwing distance and minimal blowback. Easily aim the snow where you want with a convenient crank control for on-the-fly adjustment. With the flexibility of full-time 2-wheel drive when extra traction is required, or 1-wheel drive for better maneuverability. Yardmax practicality and performance without breaking the bank. Max value, max performance. That's Yardmax.